guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off the blue dot on iPhone. So the blue dot has access to your location. So the blue dot is basically what shows you which application has access to your location. So for example, if I open the camera app, you will basically see three dots at the top: the green one for the camera, the orange one for the microphone, and the blue one for the location. And you may be wondering, how do I turn this off? So to turn this off, I have to make sure that I go to settings and I scroll and or search for an application, Snapchat. And all I have to do is make sure that my location is turned off to never. So when you turn this off to never, the third-party application will never have access to your location, and that blue dot will never pop up. But you cannot turn this off for any application that was made by Apple. You can only turn this off for third-party applications. So that is something to note. And that's about it. Make sure you remember you only have to go to settings, open the third-party application, and turn off the location to never. That's about it. Thank you, guys.